Good evening, everyone. My name is Sarah, and I'm the Tatted Educational Coach. Tonight, we're going to talk about trigonomic ratios. My students are talking about trigonometry in geometry class right now, so I thought I'd share a little bit of what we are doing. So there are three different types of trigonomic ratios. We have sine, cosine, and tangent. This is where a lot of things can get a little crazy and hazy. So trigonometry is actually the relationship of the sides and the acute angles. So these are the two acute angles. So we're looking at the legs as well as the hypotenuse and the acute angles, not the 90 degrees. Okay, so not the 90 degree. So for us to know the formula for sine, cosine, and tangent, there's a mnemonic device called SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. And this is I still do this today, even when I'm doing my math homework. I will actually write this on the top of my paper, and it just helps me to know how the breakdown is. So here's the breakdown. Let's look at SOHCAHTOA. So sine for S, and then it's opposite over hypotenuse. So we're looking at this triangle right here. Here's my acute angle. And then we're going to go opposite of that angle is this leg, and that's this. So it's opposite. And then over hypotenuse, which is that longest leg of the triangle. So opposite over hypotenuse is sine. That's SOHCA. Now we have ca, so cosine. So again, looking at that acute angle right there, we're looking at adjacent over hypotenuse. And if you don't understand what adjacent means, adjacent is just a fancy word of saying right next to. Okay? We in math, we like to use big fancy terms. Don't let it get full of you. Know your math vocab. So it's adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's your COA. Now we have TOA, which is tangent. Okay, so we're again looking at this little itty bitty acute angle over here. It's so acute, so cute. Okay, well, I better stick to my day job. So from this acute angle, we're looking at opposite over adjacent. That's the TOA, TOA. SOHCAHTOA. So one of my students actually had a really good question today in class. How do I know which trigonomic ratio am I going to use? And that's actually a very good question. When you're looking at a triangle and they give you the angle, say here's the angle that you're looking at, and then say here's this value and this value. From this small little acute angle, is there anything over the opposite of that acute angle? Yes. Okay. So then let's look at our three trigonomic ratios that has the word opposite in it. Sine and tangent. Cosine we can actually just cross out. We don't even have to look at cosine. So now we can go further. Okay, so there's the value that's opposite of the angle. Now, is there anything adjacent to it? No. But there's something by the hypotenuse. So this one is going to be sine. Let's do another one. So again, here's my angle. Here's my values. Looking at from this angle, is there anything across opposite, let's keep the terminology the same, opposite of that acute angle? No. Okay, so we're going to cross out sine, and we're just going to look at tangent and cosine. So we have something that's adjacent. Okay, and we have something that's also in the hypotenuse, which is going to be our cosine. Let's do another one. Looking at my angle here, is there anything across that's opposite of that angle? Yes? Is there anything... So if there's something that is opposite of that angle, we look at to see which trigonometric ratio that has the word opposite in it. So sine and tangent. We're going to cross out cosine. So we have opposite, and then we're going to go further. We have something that's the hypotenuse. And that will be sine. It takes a lot of practice to just get this down before adding values. I highly recommend knowing what SOHCAHTOA is. Write this on the top of your paper. Trust me, I do it all the time, even in grad school for my papers and whatnot. I hope this helped. If you have any questions or know a cute little way, drop in the comments. Like and follow.